Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get fabric in sand. Fabric is one of the rarer crafting resources in sand. It's mainly used for higher tier tech tree upgrades and other advanced equipment, so you'll eventually need to gather a fair amount of it as you progress. The most reliable way to find fabric is by looting rare medical cabinets and their higher tier variants. While these cabinets can occasionally spawn at smaller points of interest, including shipwrecks, you'll have much better luck searching major named locations, such as large towns and other important landmarks, where rare loot containers are more common. Keep an eye out for the distinctive white, rare medical cabinets as you explore. Whenever you find one, make sure to loot it, since it has a good chance of containing fabric, along with other valuable medical supplies. The more rare medical cabinets you open in a single expedition, the better your chances of bringing home a sizable supply. Just remember that valuable loot attracts attention. Stay alert for hostile NPCs and other players while searching these areas, and make sure you extract successfully so you don't lose the fabric you've collected. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.